Okay, here's my first problem of the week. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to set up the problem, and then I'll ask the question. So first I'm going to plot some points in Geogebra. So I'm going to click down here in Input. I'm going to plot the point 2, 0. I'm going to plot the point -2, 0. So now I've got those 2 points plotted. I also want a line. I want y is equal to 3. And then what I want to do is I want to put a point anywhere on that line. So I'm going to choose my point. I'm going to put it on the line right there. And then I also want to reflect that point over the y-axis. So I'm going to choose reflect about a line, choose that point, choose the y-axis. Now I'm going to take lines and connect this point at 2, 0. Oops. Forgot to choose my line tool. So connect this point at 2, 0 to this point over here, and this point to that one. Now what I'm interested in is the intersection point of those two lines that I just created. So in this case, when I choose my intersection tool and then I choose this line and this line, I get point D. And what I'm interested in as I move this back and forth, I notice that as C is increasing, as C moves along the line y equals 3, that D is increasing. And as I move it backwards, then D is decreasing. So what I thought to myself is I want to look at the y value of that and how it compares to the x value of C. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back to my input. I'm going to plot the x of C with the y value of D. So that's my input right here. I'm going to plot that point, and I get this point E right here. Now what I want to do is I want to trace E so I can see the function that is created. So as I move C, I'm tracing that value of the y value of D and I get a function that looks like this. So my question, the question of the week is, what is that function? How can I determine a function that is y as it relates to x that is traced right here on the graph?